Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install the official GTA San Andreas on any of the Windows PC. So let's get started. So we can just go over and download GTA San Andreas using Steam. It is one of the most easiest method. So if you don't have Steam, you can just go over, download it and open it up and launch the Steam application on your device. Or you can even visit the Steam site if not this. You may just go over and look out for Steam. Just go over and do so. And then once the website is launched, what you can do is you can search for the San Andreas GTA. So type in GTA and look out for the San Andreas version. San Andreas and hit enter. You should likely find the result, this one right here. So you can just go over and open it up, and this should be the page available here. And within the page here, you'll be finding description and other purchase methods. So you can scroll down, and when you scroll down, these are the purchase method you can follow up. You need to hit this option of add to cart and choose your payment method and complete the purchase. Once you complete the payment method and install it, you just need to go over and install it and select your drive and start downloading. And installation time may vary depending upon internet speed. And once it is completed, that should probably launch the game, set your graphics to recommend the settings, and adjust your resolution to for the best performance. And all of the PC do not support it. You need to have at least Windows 10 or 11 and 8 GB RAM and also 45 GB free storage. So you can just go ahead and do so. And that's how we download the official GTA San Andreas on PC. So let me know if you want to go ahead and look out for game tutorials. And thank you for watching. Give it a like and subscribe for more.